Welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments, my 2 to 3 minute podcast. I'm Nancy Myrland, your host. Well, have you ever heard or even said, it's nothing personal, it's just business? Well, we need to talk about that for just a moment. During my career, I've been lucky. I've been in sales or business development. I've been in management. I've been in marketing. And now, because of my business, actually for the last 22 years, I get to do all of those things every day as a part of running my business. And I love it. But when giving someone on your team bad news that is going to have an impact on their job or their career, if you are ever tempted to tell that person not to take it personally and that it's just business, I urge you to remember that you're talking to another human being, a person. This is someone you or another person in leadership hired for their skills and who they are as a person. You bought the package deal. At the end of your career, would you rather look back and feel proud of being tough, resilient, and hardcore because you ran an amazing business with little or no emotion? Or would you rather look back and feel proud of being tough, resilient, and hardcore because you ran an amazing business and took care of the human beings, the people in all of the businesses you ran? Will you be proud to remember that you delivered tough messages with empathy or sympathy, putting yourself in their shoes while delivering bad news, realizing that they're human beings and deserve to be respected even in the face of adversity? Yes, there are many decisions made for what we call business reasons, but never forget that you're delivering that business news to another human being, a person. And there is absolutely nothing wrong with that person feeling emotions over the tough decision and news you just gave them. Sure, that might mean that you have to learn or strengthen a few skills to be able to combine all of those talents, but it is well worth it to be able to feel good about what you did that day, week, month, or year when you treated your colleagues like human beings or like the people that they are. It is never just business. It can be business and personal at the same time. Well, thanks so much. If you have any opinions about this, and I suspect you might, you can either leave a comment or you can email me at nancy@myrlandmarketing.com. And that's MYRLAND marketing.com. Or that's where you can find all my contact information as well as my website at myrlandmarketing.com. Remember, it's never just about business. It is always also personal. Take care. Bye-bye.